Hey friends, Andrew here. Welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on time zone for task and TickTick. Now, to do that, you want to go ahead and click your profile on the upper left hand side and go into the settings. Go down to date and time, and here you'll find time zone. You can simply toggle it on to use the time zone. Now, you may be wondering, how do I use this within a task? Let me show you exactly how. On the left side, you will find your list, and these are some specific tasks. So let's say I want to change the time zone for this one here. Let me just click on the tree that's right here on the right side. Here you will find that I have details for the task. And here you can see it shows the calendar. The calendar is what you'll need to click on to get the time. Now, once you do that, you hover over timer and just click it. And at the bottom, you now have the time zone. Previously, this will not be here. And so once this feature is off, you will not be able to have time zone available to you. You'll just have the option for time, set the time and it will look just like this, but this will be missing. So if time zone is something that you want to use, guys, this is how you can quickly go ahead and enable it and use it for certain tasks. And that's pretty much all there is to it.